o Moenau te ie, e aha te huru, mai te e? Iarana ya oe I te e mhana. Hello, it's Moenau from Poly-lingual Reo Tahiti. Today I will share with you some tips on how to introduce your family. But before we dive into our lesson of the day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the light bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a new video each week. Are you ready? Wainene oe? Let's go, whatever. The concept of family is very developed in the islands of Tahiti. In Tahiti, everybody is related somehow, or a lot of people are acquainted with other people. Everyone is a brother or a sister of someone, or a cousin. Every older woman is an aunt for someone, and every older man is an uncle for someone. You get the point. Everyone is family. In Tahiti, we also have a name for adoptive parents. It is very common to acknowledge them. For adoptive father, we say papa fa'amu. For adoptive mother, we say mama fa'amu. It is through these bonds of family and friendship that people get a sense of what you can be for them. Here are some great vocabulary you can use when presenting your family. Papa, metuatani, father. Mama, metuavhini, mother. Tuani, brother. Tuahini, sister. Tamaroa, son. Tamahine, daughter. Paparu'au, tupunatani, grandfather. Mamaru'au, tupunavhine, grandmother. In Tahiti, we also have our own way to call our close family or our close friends. We say, Papa te wira, Mama te ura. And when we want to call our aunt or uncles, we call them Tonton Teva, Tati Hinano, Tonton Honui, Tati Hereata. That's it for today. Woo, that's a lot of stuff to learn. If you want to learn more about the Tahitian language, the Reo Tahiti, check out our website, polylingual.com. I'll see you guys next week. Tera Yahua Hirima, Māuruuru meit ei te wharor ame ia u I te iemhana, ia meit ei oto, parhei, nana.